Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cookies and cream milkshake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and 8 to 10 chocolate sandwich cookies. Make sure your blender is clean and ready, along with your measuring cups and serving glasses. Selecting a good quality vanilla ice cream is key for a rich, creamy base. Now, let's create the creamy base for our milkshake. Carefully scoop 2 full cups of your chosen vanilla ice cream into the blender. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of cold milk. Whole milk works wonderfully for a richer texture, but any milk will do. Secure the lid and blend these 2 ingredients on a medium setting until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform, with no ice cream chunks remaining. This is where the cookies and cream magic happens. Take about 8 to 10 chocolate sandwich cookies and crush them into small, bite-sized pieces. You can do this by hand or in a food processor. Add these crushed cookies directly into your blended ice cream and milk mixture. Then, secure the lid and pulse the blender just a few times. We want cookie chunks, not a completely smooth blend for that perfect texture. Your incredible cookies and cream milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into your favorite tall glasses. For an extra special touch, you can top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream and perhaps a whole chocolate sandwich cookie. Serve it immediately to savor its delightful blend of smooth vanilla, rich chocolate, and satisfying cookie crunch. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.